Welcome everyone, let's get started for the first time in way too long here at Birmingham Snow Hill. And we'll kick off with 172334, 172332, departing out on time with 2 Juliet 50, and the 1051 West Midlands Railway service from Dulwich to Starbridge Junction. Coming down next the other way is 172001 and 172007, as they arriving on time with 2 Charlie 00 and the 1058 West Midlands Railway service from Snow Hill to Dulwich. Time to turn up the volume now, as next up we see 68022 with CH12 arriving in on time with 1 Hotel 35 and the 1108 Chiltern Railway service from Starbridge Junction to London Marylebone. And I'm going to just let you appreciate the thrash of this when it starts up. And as if that wasn't loud enough, arriving in next is 5043 Earl Amount Edge coming 37240. Arriving in 5 minutes late, working 1 to 11 with the 1115 Vintage Trader service from Worcester Foregate Street to Stratford upon Avon with the Worcester Shakespeare Express. Out there is 172.003 and 172.333, which has arrived in on time with 2 Victor Sierra 4 and the 11:21 West Midlands Railway service. And as that heads out, arriving in to finish the stop at Birmingham Snow Hill will be 172.212 and one else, 172.345. Arriving in 2 minutes late with 2 Sierra 06 and the 11:21 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Falkirk Street to Dulwich. And as that arrives in, that is a good session at Birmingham Snow Hill, all done.